Most people download reward apps expecting easy money and end up wasting hours for pennies. But here's the truth no one tells you. Some apps really do pay. The problem is finding the legit ones before you waste your time on fake promises and endless ads. In this video I'll show you 7 apps like Mistplay that actually pay real rewards in 2026. We'll cover how they work, how much you can realistically earn, and which ones are actually worth your time. Let's start with the biggest mistake most people make. They only use one app. That's why their earnings stay low. The people earning the most stack multiple apps together. First is Swagbucks. This is one of the oldest and most trusted reward platforms. You earn points by playing games, answering surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. Jake from Texas used Swagbucks casually during lunch breaks and made enough for Amazon gift cards every month. The best part is flexibility. You're not locked into gaming only like Mistplay. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you like mobile games specifically, Rewarded Play is one of the closest alternatives to Mistplay. You install games, hit playtime milestones, and earn points. The key is choosing games with high reward rates. Strategy games and casino-style games usually pay more. Next is Free Cash. This app exploded in popularity because payouts are fast. You can earn through games, app testing, and special offers. Some users cash out to PayPal within the same day. But here's the problem. Many people quit too early. The highest paying offers often unlock after level milestones. Fourth is Inbox Dollars. It works similarly to Swagbucks, but pays in actual dollar amounts instead of points. That psychological difference matters because you always know exactly what you're earning. Now let's talk about Cash Giraffe. This one became popular among Android users because it's simple. Download games, play consistently, earn coins, and cash out through PayPal or gift cards. It's beginner-friendly and easy to understand. This is where most people fail. They ignore referral bonuses. Apps like Pawns. App can dramatically increase earnings if you invite friends. Besides surveys and small tasks, it also offers passive income through internet sharing in supported regions. And finally, there's TesterUp. This app pays users to test apps, games, and online services. Some offers pay surprisingly well compared to traditional reward apps. John from California completed a banking app offer and earned over $50 from a single task. But here's the important reality check. None of these apps will replace a full-time income. Think of them as side money for extra spending, subscriptions, or small savings goals. The smartest users combine high-paying offers with daily streaks and referral bonuses. If you want the best strategy, start with 2 or 3 apps instead of all 7. Focus on consistency, not speed. Small rewards add up faster than most people expect. And now I want to hear from you. Which reward app has worked best for you so far? Drop it in the comments below. If this video helped you avoid wasting time on fake apps, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real ways to earn online.